this is the yellow glowing SupaCell Eyes effect. I love this effect so much and I've always wanted to do it, and in this video I'm going to show you how I tried to achieve this result with CapCut. So I wanted to do this effect so badly that I went to YouTube to search for the SupaCell Eye effect, and trust me, there's almost no video on this tutorial, but I was able to stumble on one particular video, and this is the video right here. This guy was teaching how to do the SupaCell Eye effect, but then he was using After Effects, a very advanced video editing software that I do not have. And you can see my comment in the comment section where I asked him if he'll be able to do this with CapCut, and then he actually said it was not really possible, but then I decided to give it a try. So let's see. I downloaded the image that he was using in his own video and I decided to try it on CapCut, but this is what I ended up with. It's looking so funny. So I was like, okay, how am I going to do this? Okay, how am I going to do this? Or I'm like, okay, let me go to TikTok and try to use TikTok. Okay, so the simple trick here is that you're going to open your TikTok.
Babe, show me again. She just woke up.
So as soon as your TikTok opens, you're going to click on the plus sign in the middle right there. So when the plus sign opens, you're going to scroll down as though you want to make a video, and then you're going to click on the effect right here, and then you will see the search button here. So click on that search button and type right here, type SupaCell. See SupaCell Eyes, and you can see a lot of them. Alright, so you can see a lot of them. Yeah, and this is the one right here, the one with this guy's face on it. The second one here, this is the one that I used. So you can just try it out and see.
I gotta move on somehow. Healing energy on me, baby. All I really need is one day. Healing energy.